Welcome! In front of me I have smartwatch Hama 7010 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called sounds and vibration or sound and vibration, and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called vibration settings, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here we have three levels of vibration intensity. We have none, weak, and strong. None, basically if you select it, your watch won't vibrate at all, it will be disabled. Weak is a basically short vibration, and strong, it's a longer and stronger vibration compared to weak, of course. So you can select the one you like by tapping on it, and once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.